Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss very important tool with the help of which you can edit your PDF files easily with full accuracy. Yes, so go to the website, this sesda.com. So as you can see, it is easy to use online PDF editor. So just click site, and here you can see there is one option, upload PDF files. So just click here and upload the PDF file which you can want to edit. For example, this is the PDF, and you can see file. So this is my PDF file, and you can see the preview. So the PDF file. So let me show you the PDF file also. So just wait. So this is my PDF file, and suppose I want to edit this. So I am not able to edit this PDF file. So with the help of this website, I can edit the PDF file. So for example, let's change this. And here let's say I want to change the office to general office, and let's say CPU I want to change, let's say 6. So see how easily I can edit the video file. Okay, so easily you can edit the video file. Okay, so once you have edited the video file, you can click on apply changes. So click here, apply changes, and click here. No, you can see your task is processing, and now you can download this PDF file. So I have downloaded this PDF file. So you can see how easily I have edited this PDF file. This is my previous PDF file, and now this is the edited one. So you can see I have edited this PDF file with the help of this website easily. So website name is sesda.com. And what other things you can do? You can merge a PDF files. So let me show you the website again. So you can see there are so many options available on this website. And merge the video files. We can reorder media pages. Even you can split the video file. You can extract the pages from here. You can crop. You can convert the video to any format. So you can convert JPG to PDF. Even you can protect your video file, compress and delete the pages. You can create a forms. So many options you can see there are available on this website. So I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.